If you have a clean driving record with no claims, do this now. Hi everyone, I'm Peter and welcome to How to Insurance, helping you understand insurance and building confidence for your future. So we have auto insurance for a few different reasons. One, if we get in an accident and we're sued, we don't want to have to pay for that. We want that financial liability off our backs. Another thing is if we get in an accident, we want our car repaired. We want the property damage fixed or reimbursed, right? And another thing we want is we don't want our rates to go up. Who doesn't like saving money? However, if you have an accident, your rates will go up. So here's how to prevent that. If right now you have a clean driving record for the past 3 years, do this. Add accident forgiveness on your insurance policy. You really need to do that. You will thank me later. Because if you add accident forgiveness on your policy right now, if no one wants it to happen, but if an accident does occur and you're at fault, your insurance rates will not go up next year. It's forgiven, and you'll be so thankful for that, because I promise you, your rates will go up anytime you have a claim or an accident with your auto insurance. So if you have a clean driving record, you need to do this right now. Here's your next steps. Number 1, contact your insurance broker. Number 2, say, hey, I want to add accident forgiveness. Can you do that? And number 3, once it's done, know that you've built confidence for your future, that your rates aren't going to go up in case an accident does happen. Well, if this is helpful, just contact me at appleinsuranceSolutions.com. Insurance can be really confusing, so I want to make it simple. As your insurance broker, I do the work for you, and all your insurance needs are covered in one relationship, building confidence for your future.